Hello, everyone. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm a developer in the modeling team, and today I'm going to demo cleaning of prerequisites. So earlier, when we would clean a TC file, the prerequisites would not be removed. Here, I have a traffic light web sample, and it is already built. So it has a prerequisite TCP server lib listed, and as we can see, the traffic light web and libTCP server target already exists. So now if I clean this file, we can see that the target folders are removed. So we can do this clean via the TC editor or the command line or the art build. We would achieve the same process. So we can try cleaning it from the command line as well. And the target folders are removed. That was all from my side. Any questions or comments from anyone?